everybody, Susan Vincentz here, and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to bring you these tech tutorials here on Tech Imaginations, and in today's video we're going to talk about Google Forms and the difference between sending your form out to gain responses and sending your form out to a colleague in order to encourage editing and collaboration. So stay tuned as we learn more about Google Forms, and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos just like these. So here we are in Google Forms, and we have our form made up. It's all ready to send out so you can start getting responses. Or you may want to have that team member added for them to have editing access so they can contribute questions to your survey or the quiz, whatever you are using this form for. So there's two things I want to point out when you get ready to send this survey. So we're going to come up here to the top right hand corner and we're going to hit the send button. And the first thing you see is where you can either email using the little envelope icon, or you can go, like I usually do, to this chain link, shorten the URL, and then just copy the little URL, and that can go in your email, learning management system, post it on social media, wherever you need to get that link in order to get the word out that we need responses to this survey. However, in the case where you want to be able to add a collaborator or a team member, a colleague, someone to be able to edit the form, not just respond to it, you're going to hit the send button and come to the bottom of that menu and click on Add Collaborators. And when I hit Add Collaborators, this works just like the share button in Slides, Docs, Sheets, and all of those other apps. So I'm going to hit Add Collaborators, and then I'm going to add the people that I want to have access, or I can use the link. So I'm going to type their email address here and click on Done, and then they will get a sharing notification just like normal when they get a doc or a slide, and they will be able to add and contribute questions. So send, the top part, allows you to either email it or use the chain link to post it on a website or send via email. And then the bottom area of the send button is going to allow you to add collaborators. Now, something to keep in mind when you add collaborators, if you're all using the same form for the same purpose, that's great. Just keep moving. But if you're sharing it with, say, a colleague who wants to copy it for their own classroom, make sure that they remember to make a copy. So for your collaborator to make a copy of the form, you're going to use the three dots on the top right and then choose Make a Copy. This is different than a doc or a slide or a sheet. On there you use File, Make a Copy. Here you're going to use the three dots and make a copy. So send button. Top part, sending it to collect responses. Bottom part, add collaborators to give them editing access. So if you need more information like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below, and you will see everything that I put out on Tech Imaginations, tutorials, all things Google, and all of that good stuff. So stay tuned for more videos, and if you need assistance, do not hesitate to contact me, and I will be happy to help. See you soon. Bye-bye.